optic cables use light to transmit information like telephone signals, internet communication, and cable TV. But how does light travel through these cables? Let's try an experiment to learn more. You will need a plastic water bottle, aluminum foil, laser pointer or flashlight, and water. Start by wrapping the outside of the water bottle in aluminum foil, but leave the top and bottom uncovered. Then fill the bottle with water. Go into a dark room and shine the flashlight or laser pointer through the bottom of the bottle. Keep the bottle and flashlight touching and slowly pour the water into the sink so that the water flows in a curve. As you pour, watch the water carefully. The stream of the water lights up. The lights follow the curved path of the water because the water has total internal reflection, which means water traps light. Light normally only travels in a straight line. In this experiment, you bent light using water. Ask a friend to place their hand in the stream of water. What happens?